Hello, my name's Tiffany. I'm one of the luxury sales managers down here in Southern California for the House of Rohl, and I'm here in the Universal Showroom in Torrance to talk about the House of Rohl brands and the portfolio we have within the 5 brands and how they can cater to all your home remodel needs. And I am here in one of the best displays we have in Southern California at the Universal Torrance Showroom. The first brand we're going to talk about is going to be RIOBEL. RIOBEL is going to be a brand that originates in Canada. Another one of the brands within the House of Rohl portfolio is Rohl, which is going to be the original brand within House of Rohl that really does a great job at bringing European products and style into the American market. One of our most luxurious brands in the House of Rohl portfolio is going to be PERRIN ROWE. It's really going to be like jewelry for your kitchen. Another brand within the House of Rohl portfolio is going to be Victoria & Albert. This is going to be our bathtub and sink collection. The Rohl collection also has fantastic stainless steel sinks that you can choose from in either our Forze or Culinario collections. Shaw's is going to be our kitchen sink collection that was actually the original farmhouse sink, started in 1897 in England. When you want to experience any of our House of Rohl brands, please stop by Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in either Costa Mesa, Torrance, Studio City, or Calabasas.